Hello friends, let's crochet together a mini radish. We need yarn jeans, white, pink and green, and the size of my hook is 1.6. We start from the white thread, make a magic loop, leave the long end of the thread, and we make 6 single crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull this thread to the front side and in the first loop we make a slip stitch. In the second round we make 2 increases. 1 single crochet, in the next loop another one, and increase in the third loop. 1, 2, increase, a slip stitch, and now we make 8 increases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we make the first part of the last single crochet and change the color. And we make a slip stitch, and continue with the pink thread. We make increase, a single crochet, and fix these threads. Increase, a single crochet, increase, a single crochet, and repeat till the end of the round. Increase, a single crochet, a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. cut the white thread, and now we make 5 rounds without changes for 24 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 23, 24. A slip stitch and a chain, and we've made 9 rounds, and in the 10th round we start to make decreases. A decrease, a single crochet, a decrease, a single crochet, a decrease, a single crochet, and repeat till the end of the round. And now it's time to add fiber fill, and in this round we make 8 decreases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A slip stitch, a chain, cut the thread, take a needle and close the hole for the front loops of the last round. Fix the thread between the stitches and hide it inside the toy. And now let's make leaves. Take a green thread, join it with a slip stitch, and we make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 chains. And then we make a single crochet in the same loop, half double crochet. In the next loop we make 1 double crochet and another one in the same loop. Then we make a double crochet in the same loop, 1 more double crochet. Half double crochet and in the same loop another one. In the next loop 2 single crochets, then in the next loop 2 half double crochets, in the next loop 2 double crochets, and in the next loop 2 single crochets. Then we make a slip stitch, a chain, turn around, and continue to crochet our leaf. We make 2 single crochets, then we make 2 double crochets, then we make 2 double crochets, two half double crochets, and in the next loop 2 single crochets. And then we make 1 half double crochet, in the next loop 1 double crochet, in the next loop half double crochet, and in the next loop we make 1, 2, 3 single crochets. Cut the thread and close our row. Take a needle and hide the thread between the stitches. And go on till the end of the leaf. And now we can cut this thread, or we can make slip stitches. Like this. And fix these threads together. And we make another one leaf in the same way, but you can change the size. We make a little embroidery. Just few stitches. And then we fix all these threads and hide them inside the toy. Then we cut white thread. And our radish is ready. There are many patterns of fruits and vegetables on my channel. I will write the link in the description to this video. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.